Okay, so you're going to want to measure out 120 grams of butter into a bowl and then soften it in a microwave or another method. I use the microwave on a low heat setting. You're going to want to add that to the bowl with both white and brown sugar. And you're going to want to mix the butter and sugar mixture together until it's fully combined. Now that the butter and sugars are mixed together, you're going to want to add the egg and vanilla extract. To add your flour, bicarbonate of soda and vanilla extract. And if you chose to use unsalted butter, you're going to add a pinch of salt. Dark cocoa solid dark chocolate, 72% cocoa solid dark chocolate, and some milk chocolate. This is really your choice. It's up to the preference, but I think dark chocolate is quite easy. Because I think that if you added more milk chocolate, it would be a bit too sweet maybe, or like sweeter than it already is. You're going to add the chocolate to the cookie dough and stir until combined. So you're going to set your oven temperature to 180 degrees or 160 if you're using a fan oven, which I'm using. So you want to prepare at least 2 baking trays. You could use 3, but 2 should be enough. With baking paper. Now you're going to put them into the oven for about 10 to 15 or so minutes. This depends on whether you like your cookies crunchy or a bit softer. The harder you want them, the longer you put them into the oven for, but just be careful not to burn them. I put mine in for 12 minutes and they came out quite nice with a crunchy exterior, and then like inside was quite nice and soft. Ideally let them cool down before you eat them, but I mean that's up to you. You'll probably want to eat them straight away. Okay, that's the end of the video. Thank you for listening.